Students, this is Mrs. DeMeyer. I'm going to show you how to reset your password all on your own. So from the Golden High School homepage, you're going to hover over Students and click Links for Login. Now, if you can't log into anything, you'll need to do this on somebody else's device or come down to the library and use one of our computers. But then you'll just go here to this little password reset tool. Click that, and it will ask you to try to log in. The first time you log in, you'll have to set it up, but every time after that, it will look like this. You'll type in your number, and then you can either enter your current password to log in. If you don't know what your login password is, or your password is expired, you can enter your personal information. You can answer security questions, and you can also send a PIN to the preferences set in your profile. So I am going to click my personal current password. And first it's going to ask me if I'm a robot. And then we'll get to log in. So I'll type in my password. And then once I've typed in my password, I have the opportunity to change passwords. I can also unlock my account. So if you have had a password fail and you keep getting wrong password, it's highly likely your account is locked. So you can click unlock and you can click change passwords. You can also update your security questions here. In fact, the first time you come in to password reset tool, you'll have to set up your questions. So they'll give you choices on what questions that you'd like to answer, and you'll have to answer those questions and confirm them. And then you click update, and you can go here to the little house, and it will take you back to that main menu where you can unlock your account. So that's how you do the password reset tool. I would encourage you all to sign up for the password reset tool and put in your security questions before you leave school today. Here's why. If you are at home and you happen to lock yourself out of campus, you're also locked out of Google and all kinds of other tools that you need to do your homework. And you'll be able to log in and unlock your own to be able to do that if you set up the password reset tool. And that is as easy as it gets. So good luck. Also, make sure you log out.